No, it's just straight live.
Really?
Not live, but full video.
Have you actually tried Kickstarter?
You want to get it on the dyno?
Yeah, we're gonna put it on the dyno.
3 minutes.
Alright, this is y'all. Got me still on call. Gonna tear the whole thing apart to get.
Let me get one of the dealer tags off of I get the dealer tag off the motorcycle and put it on it.
Why?
Go ride it around town.
This cheap ass wood ride this will work on a good day. Look, I'm getting 1,000,000 miles a gallon.
That's how I want for this stuff.
Okay.
You want the jump box?
I don't want that.
I don't know.
So did you realize this was off earlier?
I know. It's got no power. It will run. What does that mean? Is it for me?
No.
No.
What you need me to do, Willis?
Stay out of the way.
Do it. Just make sure we hold for this bitch so it don't go flying forward.
Don't flood it.
You know what we doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
It runs! Hang on.
I'm doing a burnout! Come on.
Is it whittle on?
Well, say there ain't much gas in it.
First thing in the morning, we're gonna get in.
We go down to the store and get some 93. gas.
Huh?
Got no gas in it.
Just a little bit of it and mix the rest of it with gas. It'll clean it up.
The top of the piston.
Look, it's a hybrid. It runs off of fuel and David
And caffeine.
and caffeine.
You gotta put the key in it.
She's getting the 110.
We're just gonna put a little bit in there.
Couple splashes. Sure how old that fuel that's in it. That's a good bit. It's mixing with oil anyway, so. And we know it's mixing. She's gonna be real happy on this. It needs to get it needs to get cleaned out anyways.
Think this will be good?
That should be fine.
Click.
Hold on, put the kickstand back down for a
Hey,
second.
what are y'all doing? Nothing. Don't worry about what we're doing. What are you doing? Hey, better not be late for work in the morning.
Who?
You. Don't
When
call
the
me and
crank's
say
on
my
louder.
scooter broke down.
We don't have to clean the carburetor, right?
Yeah. Is it?
Like a half gallon. Here, see if you can get back up on the stand.
I can get it on the stand.
All right, get it on the stand. We'll get it started again, and then let me. You hold it wide open. I'll choke it down so you can pull the carburetor in.
All right. Bad boy.
Hey, fat boy, get off of it.
Shut up.
Let me see it for a second.
I put it in. We got you a gift. It's been sitting for 2 years. Why? Well, I mean, it started doing what you're dealing with right now.
We'll get a carburetor for it.
What
I mean,
year is it?
You know,
Old?
it's old. They don't make them like that no more. We'll be riding that to lunch here in a week.
You see all four of us piled up on that thing.
We'll get us a sidecar.
What I told him is you need to take your dealer tag off your bike or something.
Oh yeah, put it on there.
So you ride it around town.
Hey, put a little hitch on it, put a little wagon behind it.
Everything still works. down there to the blinker symbol. 40's here. It was here.
It was rolling.
Hey,
When
I
you
got
was coming
my
back, it was rolling, boy.
So
Do it again.
We get a carb kit on this thing. It's gonna be a monster.
Is there any way I can strap my phone to it and I pull the GPS up so you see how fast you're going?
Yeah, don't this thing have a GPS on it?
Yeah, that one should have. That one has GPS on it. I should be able to pull the.
Yeah, we can pull it up when we watch the video. Hey, this thing's wild, bro.
I'm gonna figure out how to advance the timer a little bit.
So back when I bought the Dragstrip, this was the fastest one we had. It would take it a minute to get there, but it was.
It loves it.
Well, you gotta think, the oil takes away from it. Hey, so you know how this is running a little rich? You got a little nitrous bottle?
Man, if we get it to wrap up a little faster,
We can do that.
that'd be a bad bit.
And them clutches are probably wore a little bit too.
I love it.
Clutches,
You want on this thing?
clutches, carburetor, and
A stator.
pull the timing.
And he's a state. No, we're gonna have timing.
Timing.
As they were talking, a soldier approached in a pristinely pressed